Hi guys, so today's Sunday. We just came from church. So now I want to show you guys the flower, the dahlias. Here you go. Look at that, so pretty. The pretty gladiola up here. Oh my goodness. Ayan. So guys, I'm gonna go inside. I wanna make some brunch. Make some biscuit and gravy. So I'm going to make one biscuit. We made taco pizza yesterday. So I'm gonna do this. Yes, my love.
Jane got a new phone.
Huh?
Jane.
Oh, so this is our biscuits. And then here's our... Let's make our biscuit and gravy. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one first. Only this. Right here, guys. Our chicken enchiladas. Onion. So that chicken is for the enchilada for tomorrow. So now we're gonna make our sausage and gravy. So I'm gonna cook this, guys, and see you later. Yan, busy today. Oh, you know what? Let's put this biscuit. Dang. Dang, it popped. Pop, 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 pop. It's on.
It's on. It's not paused.
No. Okay, guys, so our brunch is done. Here you go. This is the country sausage country gravy. And then here's our biscuits. I already put on my plate. Here you go. Let's eat. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So today is exciting news. Exciting news, guys. We are going to do the closing for our rental property. So today is the closing day. And we're going there, and after that, oh, thank you, Lord. And then we're going to pay off this house. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for always there for us. So we're gonna go today. My husband and I. My husband got that house before we met, so I don't have to sign or anything, but I was gonna go there to support him, you know. And then just exciting because we can pay this off, this house. I'm excited. Excited and sad, you know, because that house, when I came to America, I lived there for 3 years. And yeah, we have to sell it. And then whatever we make on that house, we paid off this house. So this house, we got this when after we got married. We love this house too because we renovate this the way we like. And this is what I like, open concept. So while you're cooking, you can still watch TV from the living room. And then there's the dining right here. And you have a big island right here. Yeah, it was like nice because we renovate this house the way we like. And then there's new appliances. The appliances is 3 years old. And still new. Lots of dishes though. But anyhow, I'm gonna make coffee. And oh yeah, I did told you guys that exciting as well. There's another exciting part. Okay, so last a few months I did, beautifying the front yard slowly. After work, I work like 1 to 2 hours at our front yard to look it nice. And then yeah, so I haven't done yet, but yesterday the landscaping came to clean our yard and throw the good morning, baby. So yesterday the landscaping came over and cleaned our backyard and also start hauling away the junk that we have piled in our backyard. So I'm gonna show you guys later the backyard, what it looks like. It's clean now. So anyhow, I'm gonna make my coffee and dress up. So we are going to do the closing at 10. So I'm gonna go to work for 1.5 hours, and then Matt will pick me up. We'll go to the closing, and then after that we'll come home. Oh my god, exciting, really exciting. At the same time it's sad, but yeah. I'm gonna make some coffee and I'm going to, prepare myself. We really love that house too. We take care of it. At least we don't have to worry about mortgage with this house if we decided not to move to Iowa, But the main focus is to move back to Iowa. And then my husband will find a work up there and I'll find work. And we're also near to family. Okay, guys. Well, okay guys, so on my way to work. So I'm going to work for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then Matt will pick me up. Okay guys. So this is our dinner for tonight. So yesterday I prepared the chicken enchilada. So it's in here, chicken enchilada, and this is refried beans. And then Mexican rice, and then here's tomato and lettuce. So we're gonna build our plate. So this refried beans, I bought it in a can, so I just added seasoning to make it yummy. So I put ground black pepper, salt, and then garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, and oregano. And then also I put some cheese. So it turns out yummy. Ayan, so I'm gonna make a plate. Okay, here's the plate. This is Matt's plate. There you go. And this is mine. I haven't done it, but 1, 2, 3, action. Okay guys, so this is the plate. There you go. Chicken enchilada, refried beans, and then Mexican rice. And we're going to add tomato and lettuce. There you go. Mexican dinner tonight. So this is the plate looks like. This area is done, so they clean it here, as you can see. So they cut the weeds, but we still have to, spray it more. But anyhow, look at that fence. That is not new. Look at this, and it looks better. It was like dark, like almost black. And then when he pressure wash it, it looks like this, as you can see. Ayan. Wow. They haven't cleaned it here, but they're going to probably this weekend or this few days. But yeah, they're going to clean this area here, as you can see. And then the fence, guys, look at the fence. It looks better. It looks good. Wow. As you can see, it's very windy today. So this is the garden area. This is what it looks like. Yay, it's clean now. They clean up here, and also they pressure wash the fence, so it's lighter and looks better. Wow, I can't believe the difference. And okay, and look at that, guys, the fence, and then the yard, the fence and the yard. So this is what the yard looks like. It's clean now, no more weeds. And then the fence, look at that fence, it's lighter. Oh my goodness. Also they pressure wash that area as well. There you go. That's cool. It looks good. So we still have to throw this away. But yeah, anyhow. There you go. Here's the yard. It looks clean. It looks clean. But we still have to clean this area, remove the rocks, the white rocks, and remove these bricks, all of them. So that's what we're trying to do, guys. But the fence looks better. The fence looks nice.